Morning, ladies and gentlemen. There's going to be two videos today. This one's going to go over the enrichment. Now, administration has asked that we kind of follow the original schedule of the school year, so today is technically an early dismissal. So I've kind of adapted the level of work that you guys need to do today. So I'm going to go over directions. I'm going to go over what I'd like you to do with this piece today. And then what I would like you guys all to do is have a good weekend. Pay attention to Schoology. There's nothing that you're going to have to do, but there's going to be updates throughout the weekend in regards to next week, which is what the administration is calling planned instruction. So here are the directions for today. Continue to read for 15 to 30 minutes. Then I'd like you to complete the following task. Find someone important to you. It could be a parent, teacher, sibling, coach, relative, anyone but me. I don't want anyone to do this for me. And I'd like you to write a thank you note to this person. Find a way to send it to them. Could be through a text message, could be over Schoology, could be, I don't know, you just give them a call and read it to them. I do not need to see the thank you note. That's for you and the person you're thanking. But I would like to know whom you are writing to. A little grammatical error right there. So share whom you send this message to in a discussion board. That's all I need to do. And I'll probably just verify that I saw that. So here's a model note. I might put up a second model note here in a little. Dear blank, dear so-and-so. You can start formally, you can just start it with their name. Thanks for. So what are you thanking them for? You can describe whatever this individual has done for you over the past few weeks, over the past few years, throughout your life. Tell them how that made you feel. Tell them how it has helped you as a person. And then tell them why you appreciated this so much. Always end sincerely, your name. Try to format it like you would a letter. Again, this is not something I'm going to see. This is something for you and the person you're thanking. There's a lot of people out there right now probably helping you guys out in a lot of ways. Like I said, whether that's a teacher, coach, sibling. I was talking to a neighbor the other day who said his daughter's AAU coach or travel coach was sending them daily updates for workouts they can do. So there are people in your life that, they'd probably appreciate if you sent out a thank you. So that's your only thing for today. The only other thing you guys should consider is the missing work folder. I know a couple of you have already reached out. The one piece that a lot of you could still submit is the memoir piece. That's one that we worked on in class. You guys still have today to do it because technically the due date was March 16th. It's not going to count against you, but if you don't get it in, it's not counting for you. These quizzes were the ones that were mainly missed. Shoot me a text if PowerSchool didn't change today after you did it, because sometimes checking all the things in Schoology and then PowerSchool, there is sometimes a discrepancy there that's easy fix for me. Non-fiction reflections, make sure you get all those in. If you have a 0 at this point, there's a reason for these. I've gone through and checked them. Some of you guys are putting the wrong reflection piece in for each article. For instance, maybe someone put in the reflection number 1 in this Dropbox. I can't give you credit for that because you're not really doing the work I asked you to do. So make sure you clean that up before midnight tonight. And really before that would probably be best. Hope you guys have a good Friday. There's going to be a second video up here today, probably around lunch. That's going to go over what the first week of planned instruction is going to look like. I can give you a hint. We are going to start with Caesar. We're going to start by reviewing Caesar, which I thought about doing today, but I realized it might be better for you guys to do it next week. So thank you guys for paying attention. I will see you guys later, and have a good day.